Hi there and welcome back. Here you can see what I mean when I talk about the middle of nowhere. The deep blue lake and woodland as far as the eye can see. Is there a better place to live? Looking into this vast heavens leaves me speechless. But Renovation East is a renovation, not a drone channel, so let's get back to work. From the fluffy clouds down to solid rock. This episode is all about concrete. When I excavated this trench last episode, I discovered that there is no real foundation underneath the concrete slab. All there is just dirt. So it is quite important to connect the new foundation to the existing slab. My idea was to anchor these pieces of rebar to the slab and set it into the new concrete wall. As well, I put rebar into the ground. Looks stupid, but when I built the new foundation on the back of the house, I can just dig it out, bend it around, and both foundations are connected. So let's build some concrete formwork. Two sheets are ready, 5 more to go. As always, there is a helping neighbor. The fresh concrete wall will weigh around 2000 kilograms or 4400 pounds, so the formwork must be anchored safely into the ground. Seeing it collapsing and the concrete pouring into the trench would be a disaster. It's concrete day. Because of the seclusion of this spot, it wasn't possible for me to convince a company to come around and deliver concrete. I had to bring it by myself. But, as always, there is a friendly neighbor to help, and what was supposed to be hard work in the sun becomes a neighborly get-together. The first layer of concrete is in, so I added horizontal rebar. Everything went pretty well so far. A big thank you to my neighbors, especially to the little one. For vertical strength, I had to add more rebar. And more concrete, more rebar, more neighbors. The concrete mixture was quite dry. That was due to the fact that it is easier to transport that way. In the building supply store they told me that I just had to add more water. Although they looked quite capable, I'm still a bit skeptical, but we will see. It's the day after now and this is how it looks. And well, it looks like sand on a beach, to be honest. It doesn't look like concrete, but it is already quite sturdy. Unfortunately, I can't remove the cladding right now because the concrete still has to set, and the big reveal will be in the next part. So see you then, and let's go up in the air again.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak, but I know you're stronger than what you think.
These drone shots are a little bit of a compensation because I feel guilty that I'm not able to show you the result of my works. But on the other hand, now you've got a reason to join me next Sunday.
We'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave, and if it all falls, if it all breaks, still be here. We'll fix these mistakes wherever you